Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of C Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. We're making a breakfast item today, or I would consider as breakfast. It's a Japanese street food called okonomiyaki. But today we are making the HIROSHIMA OKONIMYAKI version. So what's the difference between the two? So typical Osaka okonomiyaki is mixed together with cabbage, there's a like a pancake batter, there's bonito flakes, a little bit of ginger, aonori, and lots of other goodies. Same ingredients here. For the Hiroshima style one, there's the addition of noodles. So yakisoba noodles are included, as well as a wonderful fried egg, and everything is layered on top of each other. And I kid you not, this is delicious. So let's go ahead and give it a try. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that little notification bell at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye! Yeah.